The Kerminator Wasp Lance is a reusable and lightweight treatment device that enables you to quickly and safely treat your own wasp nest from a distance. The pre-filled cartridges also ensure that the user does not come into contact with the insecticide during assembly and treatment. Hi, I'm James Kerman. I'm the inventor of the Kerminator Wasp Lance. I've been treating wasp nests now for well over 20 years, and in that time I've treated thousands of them. Many of my customers call me out regularly, sometimes every year, and that can become quite expensive for them. Others call me after they have used DIY products which haven't worked for them. There are two DIY products currently on the market. The first one is a can of Wasp Destroyer foam, which works when you can actually see the nest, but if you can't see it and it's in the fabric of the building or underground, this product will not work. The second product is a can of wasp killer powder. This is the right formulation. The wasps have little hairs on their bodies which pick up the powder and take it in and contaminate the nest. The main problem is that you have to invert this product in order to administer it. You have to get very close, so you're more likely to get stung and possibly breathe the powder in, which is toxic and not good for you. Perhaps you get wasp nests frequently, or you're entertaining outside near a problem wasp nest. A wasp nest might even be stopping you carrying out work on your property, or you're concerned about a wasp nest in the garden where your children play. You might even be allergic to wasp stings. Whatever the reason, the Kerminator Wasp Lance will enable you to quickly, safely, accurately and cleanly treat your own wasp nest like a pro again and again.